Hello, I am Motorist and I would like to show you this Squire 770 brass padlock. It's the brass version of the well-known Squire 660. Henry Squire and Sons Limited, Willenhall, Staffordshire. Made in England. Lockmakers since 1780. 4 brass levers. It's an older version with the pipe key type. It works well. So let's see if we can pick it. There's this little shutter here, and this tab can really interfere with tools, so I'm going to put a little piece of tape on that to hold it in position. I have this tensioner made out of a brass key from another lock, and this wire. So let's see, this thing needs quite a bit of tension. Okay, so it's 4 levers. And carefully lift them bit by bit. There was a slight shift on the core there. I need to reduce tension to move lever 4, and then the other ones drop. Another shift on the core. Noisy lock. I think I'm applying too much tension. There we go. Open. Let's take these out. This off. And it still works. Okay. Thank you for watching. I am Motorist. Bye bye.